outside HR college. We had a massive fight. JLT magazine wrote it. I still have the article.
Hatapai you did?
Hatapai, full pulling
You-
hair and hitting, slapping, yeah. You know when people say I was drunk and I made out with somebody, they know they're making out with a woman. They suddenly start making out with the watchman.
Like, what if your boyfriend was really drunk and made out with 20 people at the party and came home, as opposed to your boyfriend who said he's really drunk and made out with his best friend who's a girl and came home? Which would hurt you more? And I suppose long distance, so they don't have the partner near them, so they are like, abhi jo bhi mile, wherever there is a hole, I will put in. You can't be like, मैंने 1/3 inch dip किया मेरा dick उसके vagina में. Sometimes being uncool is cool.
Is cool, very cool, yes.
So be uncool. Subscribing to our channel, very
Is cool.
uncool.
What? Basically, she wanted a chewing gum, is what she said. And the only chewing gum he had was in his mouth.
Ew.
So obviously he had to give it to her because bad breath, bitch.
See you next Tuesday.
My friend was dating a married man
What do you say?
and she didn't even know about it.
Oh, she didn't know. Why you message me saying कि I hate how much I love you? Video game चल रहा है क्या बेंचो? Just get out. Feel there should be like compilation videos of women slapping men who cheated on them. I want to work to those.
I've been cheated on quite a few times. 3 times.
3 times?
Yeah,
I think the problem is you, G. Spill the tea. Hey.
Hey,
Welcome to
spill the tea.
My name is Pavitra,
My name is Gia.
and today we are going to slurp on some coffee. Of course, we will be spilling some tea. What else? हम क्या चूते हैं? हम है.
She has to start with some gali galoch. I like it.
Yes. So Gia, once a cheater, always a cheater.
Always a cheater.
Always.
Always.
You don't think people can improve.
No, they enjoy that thrill that they get from cheating.
But what if they've learned from their mistakes?
Nobody learns. They'll chal. Like I have known people who like will be like for 10 years, 12 years, they'll be like no committed and no cheating and loyal, right? But then they slip up and they cheat.
But like some people, like once they've cheated, and sometimes when they cheat, they are extra nice to their partner to make up for
Overcompensation.
that whole overcompensation. And sometimes the partner is like, this is the best version of them. Like, you cheat more. So that is good. But also sometimes when they get caught and then they see the after effects of like how their partner feels or their kids feel, sometimes they improve and then they don't do it at all.
Oh, no, they will. Wait for
They
it.
will.
Yeah, whoever this person is, no, they will cheat again.
Ooh. Have
They-
you been cheated on?
Yes,
Damn.
I've been cheated on.
Tell us everything.
Really?
Don't leave a single detail out.
In fact, my very close friend told me that like my boyfriend made out with another chick. And we were traveling in a train going back somewhere to South Bombay, and I was like ready to jump out of the train. I was like, "मैं कूद रही हूँ," and she's like, "नहीं कूद," and I was like, "ये क्या हो रहा है?" Very dramatic. I was young,
How
19,
young?
20,
Oh my god.
21, 20,
And how long were you dating this
a
person?
year.
A year.
Yeah. And he was actually my best friend before we started dating.
Damn.
And I always had a crush on him, but he was like, no, we are just friends. And then one day I don't know, got feelings for me or whatever. And we were supposed to hang out and watch TV or something. And we were watching TV and then he suddenly hit the remote. And then I had to fight him for the remote.
Remote.
They
like,
do and all like that.
ये
And he
तुम्हारे
put it
bum के
behind.
पीछे क्यों
Yeah,
है?
he put it behind. Then I had to hug him and get it.
Oh, very cute though that.
And then
ये सारे चीटर लोग ही बहुत अच्छे होते हैं रोमांस में. है उनको पता है कैसे करना है. Moves तो है इनके पास.
yeah.
And then you confronted him. How did you end it?
I confronted him. He basically had gone out of town or something with his family for summer holidays. And then when he came back, I was like, you know
कुछ
what?
अलग टाइप की गर्मी.
I know that, you've cheated on me. And then he was like, it'll never happen again. And so I was like, you will not speak to this woman. And he's like, yeah, I won't speak to this woman. And then they still spoke. And we had a huge fight outside college,
Whoa.
outside HR college. We had a massive fight.
Like, did public get involved?
Public get involved.
What do
It
you
was written in
say?
paper and all. JLT magazine wrote it. WWF comes to HR college. I still have the article in my cupboard.
My
Yeah.
goodness.
And
And Hatapai you did?
Hatapai, full pulling
You-
hair and hitting, slapping. Yeah. It was a full WWF. Yeah,
Why
great.
does...
And I never spoke to that
Yeah.
hoe again. Yeah, because
Of
she's
course.
a hoe.
Oh no, but the guy?
Him also, I've
I
like
thought you were calling him the hoe.
both, everyone. They are all hoes. Like both of them, they both broke my heart, right?
So yeah, so who do you feel is is the other person who they cheated on you with at fault? Because they are not committed to anyone and somebody showing interest in them and they are also interested in them. So they are doing things with someone. Like, are they morally obligated to...
Yeah, they are. That person is committed. That person is not available. Stop trying to break somebody's life.
But what if the other person is trying to put their face all over their face
Yes,
and
so-
not them trying?
Yeah, that's still, you have to tell that person, bro, you have a girlfriend. First, you break up and you come.
But
Why are you becoming.
so both are at fault, but the...
You should have a little moral conscience that
Yeah.
you are cheating on another girl's man. This is not your man. It's not a man available to you either. So don't do that. Don't. I don't like
Yeah.
it. I don't like it.
You don't like it.
I don't like it. I don't like when people are knowing that this person is not available to you
Doing wrong intentionally.
intentionally. Yeah.
Yeah.
You are breaking
Then
somebody's
that is
heart.
selfish.
Yes.
You're like, this is for me.
Yes.
And then live with the fact that you're a selfish bitch.
Yeah. Do you think once a cheater, always a cheater?
No. So earlier I used to think that is how it is. But I've met people from my life, like friends or their partners, who have cheated once but have full 180-degree flips. So I've seen people learn from their mistakes, and also when you're children, you make mistakes when you're younger, and then your moral compass grows, you grow as a person. Also, then you choose more wisely. You know what you are looking for in a partner, and then you're more secure and happy because you made a better decision for yourself. So I feel I have hopes from humans कि they may evolve and change.
I mean, I feel like, sure, I still believe that once a cheat, like if you start dating somebody by cheating on their partner, like so for example, I have a
Yeah.
boyfriend, right, and I start dating you, right, and then I break up with my boyfriend.
Huh.
100% after this,
Yeah.
this relationship will also end with me cheating
Yeah.
on you.
Yeah, possible. That I feel in that case I would always be on the edge with you कि इसने तो किसी और के साथ भी किया. But suppose you cheated in a past relationship. After that there was a break, and then I came into your life, and then you dated me. Then I would be like, okay, it was something that happened in the past, and we've discussed it in detail, and what are your feelings? How would you then you would have to also prove your trust to me that okay, this is why you can trust me. Then I'll be like, maybe I'll...
But have you ever met someone who has cheated on their partner but blames their partner for their cheating?
Oh, yeah, I think people have been like, oh, there was no spark only left. They are so much into their work, they've forgotten about me. Whenever one partner feels neglected, they're like, yeah, so obviously I'll go somewhere else and look for love or affection or need.
But don't you think that that person should break up with the person they're going to cheat on?
First have a conversation that you're feeling neglected. Then if that person doesn't do anything about it, then break up and then go ahead. like like but obviously then people will be like, oh, I was drunk, I was very emotional, I was very vulnerable, all these high fundu words they'll use and
Yeah,
be
but
like,
when you're drunk, and you know, when people say I was drunk and I made out with somebody, they're not making out with the rickshaw wala, no? They're not that drunk that they don't know who they're making out with. They know they're making out with a woman. They don't suddenly start making out with the watchman or the
yeah,
lift wala. In the lift, it's such
that
intimate
would be a lot
spaces.
of
Then it's
workplace
really drunk.
harassment. Yeah.
No, then I get that you were drunk because you made out with the watchman
Like,
or the liftman.
what if,
You don't know who you're making out with.
okay, like what if your boyfriend was really drunk and made out with 20 people at the party and came home, as opposed to your boyfriend who said he's really drunk and made out with his best friend who's a girl and came home? Which would hurt you more?
Every one of them. You making out with other people. You're my boyfriend. Why you're making out with your best friend?
But
Also,
both would hurt equally.
yeah. Making
I
out
think
with.
I would only be hurt if the he made out with one person. 20 people, then I'm like, it didn't even matter. He was just like Ranveer singing it, like just sabko karte hai.
Cheat,
Like
no.
it's
Yeah, sure. It will
like he
be
was
less
proper
problematic.
drunk,
Sure.
yeah. He kissed everybody.
Yes. Sure. It'll
So,
be less problematic,
yeah.
100% that he has whatever.
Like
made
it
out.
wasn't one special kiss. It was 20 non-special kisses.
Yeah, it's fine. And boys, girls, everybody, then
Yeah.
that's fine. That's fine, right?
Yeah.
It's still, sure, one person is just,
Yeah, you're like, only this bitch?
Yeah.
Like, what was in your alcohol?
They were having an affair.
Hmm.
That was the thing in the alcohol.
Yeah. And like, what is your view on emotional cheating versus physical cheating?
They're both cheating.
Both.
They asked in that episode.
Yes.
You watched it?
I've not watched it, but this is a conversation like I've been having with a lot of friends since a long time. And we've all given our preferences. Like,
See, emotional cheating is you're connecting deeply with someone on an emotional level, right? That I mean, but if you have feelings for that person, then you're emotionally cheating, right? Physically cheating is, I think, for sure way worse.
really?
100%. Both are bad only, but I think physical is
Oh, I
still
feel
more.
emotional cheating.
But you are connected to so many people emotionally. How can you think emotional cheating is.
No, in the sense like
You have given your heart to at least 10 people. I feel love for you, right? But I also feel love for Archana. I also feel love for Aditi.
but that's a
That's not
friendship
emotional
love.
cheating.
Yeah. No, like what I'm trying to say is like I feel because I'm interested in men and men are way hornier than women, and I feel for them like a lot of these acts of cheating come from the horniness and non-satiability of it all. कि एक से मेरा दिल थोड़ी ना
Excitement
Yeah.
of something new and all
new
of that.
and all.
Yes.
So I feel like sometimes it's because of that, like the need for that. And I suppose long distance, so they don't have the partner near them. So they are like, abhi jo bhi mile, wherever there is a hole, I will put in it. Like that's the.
What are these boys you're meeting? Just
No,
concept
in general, like a thing. But emotional is like you have so many options to reach out to me. There are some 1,000 apps you can like use to reach out to me and be connected to me, and like I should be your person. But you still found someone else. Like body to uske bhi boobs, uska bhi vagina, mera bhi boobs, mera bhi vagina. But her mind and my mind very different. So now if that part pe you have found someone else, then I feel like I'm losing you.
Yes, 100%. Emotional connection with another person versus falling in love. Right? If you've fallen in love with the person, then you're fucked, right? You're already fucked because now you don't love me anymore. You love the other person. So that is obviously hurtful as well. But for
Yeah.
me, physical
Like, hurts
intimacy
you
is
more.
way worse than emotional. Because I also feel men are, I guess, incapable of being really
Emotional love.
emotional. Yeah. So,
Man, we really need to make you meet better men.
I mean, now I feel like I'm not really sure I'll meet someone.
Put it in
I'm
out
ready.
in the universe.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to be saved.
And what do you think about like micro cheating?
Do they have
Explain.
a side piece?
No, like replying to an ex's story with like say a fire emoji. So that's like micro cheating. It's not technically cheating, but you're like, why are you in touch with your ex?
Yeah.
You know?
So that I feel like is about the attention that you're getting from your ex more than you're never going to talk to that. You're never going to get back with that ex.
Hmm.
Right? So you're in a way telling that ex that I'm here,
Hmm.
right? And I'm still in your life types.
Hmm.
And the ex also is like, I'm here. I mean,
Hmm.
I see you see me,
Hmm.
and I'm so happy you're still in my life. If you really don't want an ex in your life, you block them. You just
Yeah.
get rid of them. You have
So if
no
your partner
connection.
was like sending fire emojis to their ex, like would you be okay with that?
No, I would not.
Yeah.
100%.
Or like or liking their photos.
No, no, no. There's no need to be friends with your ex. Even if it was a good ex, even if it was a good relationship,
Hmm.
the next relationship does feel insecure. So why put that on that next relationship?
Yeah,
This
unless like
relationship
that
is.
person is okay with it. Like I know of friends where both the husband and the wife, they are friends, very close friends with each other's exes also. Like it was like they all are so secure, happy, and nice people.
They've all
And
seen each other naked, just FYI.
no, but the husband has not seen the wife's best friend ex who is now his best friend naked, or the wife has not seen the husband's ex
Soon,
naked.
soon, soon.
What? Why are you
They will all
manifesting
see each
them
other naked.
like for this?
Swingers party. You know that they put car
No.
key and then you
Yeah,
pick the
yeah,
key
that
and go.
I know
It's
of, but
very much happening in Mumbai.
would you go for this if anyone
No,
invited
no,
you?
no, no, no. You know, I'm very
I would go
prudish
to
like that.
know who all are coming over
So
there.
creepy.
And then I would notice,
Yeah, I think you're very much cuck vibes.
oh, like I don't want to watch them. I just
No,
want to
no.
see the equation and how they choose and like कि मैं किसके मर्द के साथ वापस जाएगा
They
and
don't get a choice. Whatever's in that bowl.
I'm sure they must be seeing कि अच्छा ये वाला Mercedes वाला मुझे पसंद है तो मैं Mercedes का चाबी उठाऊंगी
What if there are
थोड़ा
3 Mercedes Chabis in? Why are you going to a place with less than 3 Mercedes Chabis? Why? Like, that's the first option, right? There should be a Maserati. There should be a Hummer. I don't know. I don't. They've
so
stopped
you
making
will
Hummers. So.
so will you choose like key wise or person wise? What would you
Oh yeah, the better the key, the uglier the guy.
what if
100%. That's how it works.
Yeah.
The bigger the car, the shorter the dick.
These are not factual statements. Disclaimer.
Now this
These
is
are
the first
opinions.
time Pavitra Shetty has now gotten like, oh, these are not factual. These
I
are
just want
opinions.
people to know that this is a disclaimer. These are Gia's
Disclaimer. And all.
opinions.
Yeah, yeah, Gia's
Yeah,
opinions.
you're saying basically you're saying your full family's dick is short. They all have big cars. So for your good only, I'm saying.
See, I have a small car.
Yes,
So now we
very-
know.
Yeah, very big dick.
Yours.
Big dick energy,
Full
max.
big energy, yes, yes. Is cheating black and white or is there some grey?
I think it is black and white. Like you've cheated or you've not cheated. Like you can't be like मैंने 1/3 inch dip किया मेरा dick उसके vagina में. Like you've done it or you've not done it. Your reasoning cannot justify and say कि you didn't cheat.
You just kissed.
Oh, but it's still cheating. It's cheating. You will label it as cheating. How you want to react to your partner cheating is up to you. I feel it's your equation, your trust levels, your levels of security, your attachment. Some people are like, I rather have this much of this person than nothing of them. So then it's like a choice thing what you want to do with it. But cheating is cheating.
Cheating is cheating.
Yes.
And would you be able to trust somebody wholeheartedly once you've known that they've cheated on you?
I don't think so. Like that person will have to, like it'll take years of reparation and like, but I'll still always at the corner, like if everything is going hunky dory, I'll just be like, but this person,
Have you ever had someone
no,
betray you in such a way that
no,
you've
no,
been hurt?
no, like in cheating way,
Cheating.
no.
But now, see, you've not had a boyfriend, so
Hmm.
cheating is not possible. But betrayal is. See, cheating is a big way of betrayal, right?
Hmm.
You're. And the thing is, when you're getting cheated on, you feel foolish,
Yeah.
right? That you got fooled. That's the one thing that you feel all the time.
Yeah, like I feel in another context, because I love giving benefit of doubt, because not like I want to believe that the other person is also a person, a human being, they can make mistakes, and if I give benefit of doubt, then uh, it's like, oh, I'll feel better as well, ki they weren't trying to harm me, this was the reasoning behind it. And I've given this benefit of doubt, but they actually had an evil intention only while doing it, which I suppose get to know later. Then I feel very foolish कि मैं यहाँ पे इसके behalf पे भी explanation और justification दे रही थी, और I was trying to be the cooler person and not the like के person, and a cool person being बनने के चक्कर में मैंने खुद का ही दिल तोड़ा.
Correct.
तो you don't have to always be cool. Sometimes being uncool is cool.
Is cool, very cool. Yes.
So be uncool.
Be uncool.
Be uncool. Subscribing to our channel, very
Is
uncool.
cool. What?
No, that's what I'm saying. Being
Oh,
uncool
God.
is cool. So, God, it became maths, and then Gia checked
Yeah,
out. She
yeah,
can't
fully
understand.
checked out,
She's like,
fully. What is
X is
this?
Y is X.
Oh, would you forgive and forget, or you'd hold a grudge?
For cheating, right? I think we cheat. Like usually in life, I like to forgive and forget, because I feel it does you more good, and like you're not holding on to something. But with cheating, it's like it's going to be there in the corner. Uh, like once bitten, you are always at PTSD is there.
Muhavara.
Once bitten, twice try.
Uy, uy.
So I feel that is in the case of cheating, I can't just fully forgive and forget.
I can forget, but I'll never forgive. I won't forgive. I will not forgive.
Yeah,
I hold grudges.
yeah. This one I think banta hai to
Banta hai.
hold.
No, I hold grudges even like just random. Someone does me wrong, I'll hold a grudge. I will not forget. I will remember for the rest of my life. Till date, that girl who gave that. Okay, so you know that girl I said in the starting who cheated on my boyfriend? Basically, she wanted a chewing gum, is what she said. And the only chewing gum he had was in his mouth.
Ew.
So obviously, he had to give it to her because bad breath, bitch. Right? And that's how they made out.
What the fuck?
And
But this was also chewed. उसमें थोड़ी ना रस होता.
it's just gross, it's just disgusting.
Yeah, this is like yuck.
Yeah, but I still hold a grudge to this date with that woman. I hate her. And we have a common friend. Every time I meet that common friend, I will bitch about that girl to her.
Fair.
Now the common friend also is like, yeah, she's a see you next Tuesday.
Yeah. Next Tuesday.
See you next Tuesday. Yeah, you know what see you next Tuesday is, right? It's a very mild way of saying it.
Oh God.
See you
Yeah.
next Tuesday.
Okay, now you walk into a room, okay, and you catch your partner cheating on you live. What is your reaction?
I'll beat both of them up.
Both of
Both
them.
of them, yeah.
You will be able to take physical action.
Yes, I'll pick this only up and hit it with them. One rod I'll find. Tar. I'll take
उसका
one.
ही लौटा लेके
Chee,
उसको.
chee, chee. Listen, he has a really big car, okay?
Oh
तो
no.
कुछ असर नहीं होगा.
असर नहीं होगा, man. I
I'll
think
be-
I would freeze. Like, I would not be able to process, and I would feel so hurt that my body stops moving. Like, the flight or fight wale mein minus flight. Like, I would run away. Just be like, I don't want to be in this dirty, icky area of
Okay,
you
let's
two and your
change.
sexual fluids.
Yes,
So,
yes, very good. I like that. But let's change it to, would you rather let your mum have a cheating affair or your dad have a cheating affair? So I would let my mum go ahead and have a boyfriend, no problem. I'll be like, yeah, yeah,
uh,
I'll support you and all. If they are like, if my
uh,
mom and dad are not getting along and between
uh,
them someone has to have a boyfriend, I'll let my mum have one. But I
oh,
don't think I'll ever let my dad have a girlfriend.
ooh.
Never.
I think, yeah, like if you say it in the situation of like they are not, things are not working out, I'd want, uh, I would be more secure with my mom having a boyfriend. But if I had to find out about someone cheating, I would rather it be my dad because I don't think, uh, like the equation I have with my dad, I think I can still somehow forgive him. But with my mom, like we are kind of siblings in some form. So I would just be like, how can she do this to me? Like it would become more about how can she do this to me than to my father. So I think it's very, I know, like
I would,
biased, but I this is the feeling that is there that I think I could still deal with like my dad cheating, but my mom cheating like तू तू ऐसे करेगी मेरे साथ शुभा.
I'd be so impressed. I'd be like, you go, girl. Well done, mommy.
Dude, once I'd gone to my dad's clinic, okay? My dad is a dentist, and from there was a house that you could see from the window because Bombay, and there was a gown hanging there, and it was the same gown as my mom's, and I was like, yeah, mommy, कितने घरों में आग लगा रही है? And she was also like, yuck, dude,
So
ew.
cute. Pavitra's creepy
Yeah.
even to her family.
Yeah. I
She's
mean,
creepy to
actually, when I
everyone.
was a child, she had a big crush on Sanjay Kapoor, okay? That Aati
Oh
nahi,
God.
okay? And like my mom would keep like swooning over him, and I would just be like, yuck, how can you
Yuck.
do this to my father?
Oh.
And like you shameless woman. Like in my head, I was pissed off at her. Ki, do, like I think I was her sasu
दूसरे
ma.
मर्द.
Yeah, like I was her sasuma in a small child's body कि साली किसी
How
और को
dare
कैसे
you?
देखेगे तो हाँ अपने family को ही देख तू. So now your partner cheats on you with your best friend, okay? Who are you more pissed at, your best friend or your partner?
Oh my God. I'm devastated.
Yeah.
I'm so broken. And I've known a lot of people who've done this, who've
Hmm.
cheated on
Yeah.
their best friend and their best friend's boyfriend.
Yeah, like basically your partner is sleeping with your best friend.
Yeah,
And but who are you more upset with?
both. I'm heartbroken, right? Because
Mm,
that they were my people. That's complete betrayal. Like
yeah.
from the two most important people in your life, you're getting betrayed. That's
And like
some
who do you call? Like
trauma. Yeah, that
when
only.
this is
How do
why
you
you have
get
to have
over?
multiple best friends. So that when one best friend is a bitch to you, you have other best
When
friends
one
to
best friend
bitch.
takes your boy, you can get to the other best friend.
And they are partners and take their boys.
Oh no, you're not doing
And
that.
it's no, just kidding. But I think I would be like obviously heartbroken and everything. I would be angrier at my boyfriend, but I would be more disappointed in my best friend. I think I would have like these extreme
So
emotions.
yeah, I guess I would be more heartbroken with my partner, my boyfriend,
Hmm.
because I gave him my heart. So
Hmm.
technically, I loved him from my heart.
Hmm.
And my best friend, I feel like, oof, that friendship's never gonna get back to normal. That's over. That'll never. She just, I feel like that if a best friend does this to you, then she's not your best friend, first of all, because that's a mean, hurtful thing to do as
Hmm.
a female best friend.
Hmm.
Men, I feel like they don't care about कौन से hole में जाएंगे and all.
Hmm.
But men, women,
Look
they
at her
care.
calling back to my
Mm-hmm.
men and holes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'd kept that in my mind.
What if you catch your partner with me, okay, in a compromising position? Would your first thought be like something is happening, or you would be like it's Pavi, so
I'd be
something
like,
else is
Pavi
happening?
got late. Pavi got.
if I am the best friend at the end,
Jeeja,
from boyfriend to
Jeeja.
Jeeja.
Yes, yes.
So I'm allowed.
Totally.
I
Yeah,
can do
you
it.
can do it. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I get a free pass.
Free pass.
Which is actually a lot of friends have told me this. Even like Aishwarya is like once as a joke, she was like, "I'm too close to you. I cannot lose you. Like even if you cheat with Akash on me, I'll be like, guys, this was really wrong. But please, can we not break this friendship?" So I'm like, wow, my friendship really matters
Yeah,
to
but
people.
also we don't think you'll do it. That's
Yeah,
why.
that's why
You're
all are
too
saying.
nice. You're too dumb also. And then just imagine, Pavitra, my partner, my husband,
Hmm.
coming and smooching your face. Exactly, exactly. Look there and do it.
I'll spit on his
No,
face.
he'll come with full love. He'll be like, Pavi, you bring more joy to me than Jia. Please, one chummar chati. Can I lick your face, Pavi?
Yuck.
And Pavi, you have gotten really close to him. Y'all really have bonded together
Oh.
because I'm dying.
My goodness. So if
So
you're dying,
now-
then you want me to.
Now tell me, y'all are, and
Oh,
I'm
this is
like
so interesting,
coma, me in like whatever, in and out of consciousness, and y'all have both been really there for me, looking after me,
Yeah,
and
like
over
we
this
are
time,
like bathing your naked body.
yes,
and in the
together,
process,
yeah,
we
yeah,
are
yeah.
also in the
You
baths
pick
together.
one boob, then he picks the other boob.
Okay.
It's a real
It's
threesome.
a threesome. Yeah.
So
So,
then-
like, what if like the doctor said you're going to die?
Yeah,
Okay?
fully.
Like.
Yeah, she's never coming back.
Back?
This is her last 3-4 days.
Yeah. And then in this process we bond, and then we are
Fully
two,
bond.
and like we're like, I think there is something.
Yeah, there's one moment where he's holding my hand, you're also holding my hand, and then both of you are holding each other's hand.
Wow. Okay.
And then I'm dead, right? I'm lying there dead, and then you all are talking, and then there only you all start making out,
Oh.
and I'm dead.
No, I think I'll still wait for you to die and then get together with him.
No, I think I'll be happy knowing that you found someone.
What
he's
if you
found
come
someone.
back to life thinking, yeah, Pavi, you got it. Maybe that will bring you back to life.
So now
I'll
you
be
know how
like-
to bring me back to life, okay? Whoever's my partner, just be like,
Yeah.
listen, Jia said to give you chummar chati. It's on the internet.
Yes, I have proof.
This is the proof.
Definitely.
So you please give him chummar chati and bring me back to life.
Done. Oh, what is your opinion on cheaters in games? Like, do you think like
I think it's allowed.
it's allowed? No? You
Yeah.
were once Sally. That is only fun, no cheating. And
Cheating, yeah.
everything.
I think in that gems wala game you cheated.
No, I didn't.
I think you cheat sometimes.
No, I don't cheat. I
In
don't
badminton
need to.
also.
Badminton, how
No,
I'll
I
cheat.
think you're a cheater.
Yes, Sally.
Yeah.
How is this?
I
become
don't
about
mind
me?
cheating in games. I like to cheat.
I
I want to
don't-
win because I never win. I just have really bad luck in games. I never win.
I'm like this in competitions. I have bad luck in competitions, but everyone will be like, wow, she was such a good player or such a good performer, this, that, this. Like, audience favorite, but whoever is the judge is like, nahi, isko hum nahi denge."
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
have that bad luck over there.
Yeah,
But I
Comic
don't
Stan.
cheat. Like, I feel like it will fuck with my head so much to cheat that I'll not cheat. Like,
Monopoly.
no, I don't
No?
need to. I get the rules really well, and I feel I can play to the. Because the thing is, in games, winning doesn't matter so much to me. I'm like, I like the experience of it. I like the strategizing. I like all of that. So then I'm like, it's okay.
Winning matters a lot to me. I like to win and I play to win, especially board games, Ludo and all. Fuck, if I get to cheat, I will cheat. I love cheating in games.
Sorry, but
All
I always
games.
do a reference to a reel, but there's this reel of this dog that is sitting, and it's like he was playing Uno, got up to go to the bathroom, and 10 cards fell out of his ass. So, yeah.
Because he was cheating. Yeah, that'll be me. I tend to
Haan.
not cheat because I'll get caught very easily. Very easily, I'll get caught. And then I'll be like, no, no, no.
Yeah. Can you cheat on your partner? Do you think you'll be able to pull it off?
No, you have to have a partner to cheat on them.
No, like imagine you have
But I
one.
was almost the other woman
Yeah.
once.
When?
When I had a friend who basically had a girlfriend and they were going to get engaged and all, but whatever, they was just dating. And I don't know whether they were on or off, but he said they weren't together. And then he wanted to, like,
Get jiggy with you.
yeah, make out with me types. And I was like, no, I don't want to be the other. But we would flirt a lot. And that playing with your hair, that boy
Yeah,
will play with your
yeah.
hair, and I would enjoy that attention. But when it when it came down to getting dirty, I
You're like,
couldn't do it. I was
इतना
like,
dirty भी नहीं हम कर सकते
yeah, I
हैं."
was like, no, man, you
Yeah.
have a girlfriend. You're gonna get engaged to her.
Yeah.
And so then I was like,
I also almost became another woman, another woman, the
ooh,
other woman.
spilling the tea. Tell me, tell me.
Basically, dating app. I was talking to this guy. Okay, he looked nice, had a good job, was like interesting conversation. 3 days or something. We were talking, and that very intense getting to know each other and all. And then, like, it was just his letter was there. The full name was not there. Okay, or no, just the first name was there. Surname was
You had
not
Pavitra
there.
Shetty on your dating app?
No, no, P or PS or Pavitra, something like that, right? So it was just his first name was there, but
Pankaj.
it was a common name, and I could not find the second name, so I was like, fuck it. When I have to know, I will know. And he was like stalking me, so he must have liked my photo by mistake, and he unliked it, but I was also willy, so I
You got
saw that like, so
notification.
I went to their profile, and then I saw that he was married.
Oh, wow. On his
Yeah.
Insta?
Yeah. So I was like, what the fucking hell? And then I stopped replying to him.
But did
and
you
all.
message him saying, hey, you're married?
No, no. So then my friends were like, you should tell his
Yes.
wife and like be like whatever and this and that and all. But I was like, itna drama and all. Like, it's great for the
Bro.
joke and all, but I should
My
avoid.
friend was dating a married man.
What are you saying?
And she didn't even know about it.
Oh, she didn't know.
She didn't know he was married. Okay, so she was dating this guy.
Hmm.
They met. So, in fact, the guy had come to meet her very close friend. And so her close friend was like, you also come along for this whatever meeting. And they hit it off. Okay. And so then the girlfriend was like, yeah, it's fine. Who cares? Whatever. He's not mine anyway. I was not going to get with him. So then they hit it off and they started dating. And it was really like intense. They went to Bangkok. He took her to Bangkok for like a holiday. And I did not trust him. I was not that close to this girlfriend either. She was like a chick in the group. But I mean, I had a love-hate relationship towards her because she was a little annoying as well. But she
As
was
well, matlab kya? You're talking about me?
no, no, no.
Acha, just
What?
her.
Yeah, just her.
Oh,
I
she's-
only love you. I have no hate for
Then
you
why you message me saying ki I hate how much I love you?
because I do hate how much I love you. I mean, there are things that I look at and I'm like, ooh, I should give this to Pavi, but I want it. I want it more than I want to give it to Pavi, but I want to give it to her. Like, not more. I just want to give it to her, but I want it more. I want it for myself, but I'll give it to Pavi anyway.
Yeah, huh.
Too
So
much
she
of
was
that.
annoying as well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Very love-hate relationship. And so she went to Bangkok with this guy and I called him trying to get in touch with her because I wanted to know whether she's still alive. I thought he'll take her there and sell her kidneys because so
shit.
easy to do in Bangkok. But that didn't happen. I was like, I need to speak to her. I need to speak to her. Finally, she spoke to me and she was like, yeah, yeah, I'm fine. I'll come back soon. I was like, cool. She came back and she was like, Jia, can you call this number? It's my partner's home number, landline number. Okay. And we dialed it. One number was missing. She memorized the number. So while she was on holiday, the phone rang on his phone. He was in the bathroom. And she just saw the number and she memorized it. She didn't write it down anywhere. Then when she came back to Bombay, she told me this number. And so we dialed it and one lady picked up. Okay, so I decided to talk like a boy. And I was like, hello, is Shailendra there? So the lady's like, no, Shailendra is not at home. So I was like, auntie, what time will he come back? So she's like, don't call me auntie, I am his wife.
Oh my god.
The phone, thank God, was on speaker. Because if it wasn't, the chick would have never believed me. she would have never believed that that was his wife, right? So I was like, wife. So I was like, okay, just tell Shailendra
That
that
he's a
Ashok
cheater.
had called. Ashok. I
Huh.
gave my name as Ashok, okay? Within minutes, she gets a call, and he's like, somebody called up and Jia. He said Jia because he had true caller ID. So he was
Oh,
like, Jia has called up and spoken to my mom really rudely. Yeah.
what the fuck? He still tried to hide
He still
it.
tried to hide it.
These
Whose
men think they're
mother,
smarter than us, or what?
correct, whose mother ever says I am his wife?
Yeah, that's very
Never.
like that's more problematic
There's no problem. But it'll
than him
never happen.
cheating.
That'll never happen. Your mother will
Yeah.
never say I'm his wife unless it's your wife.
Yeah.
Right? And so then we were like, you come and meet us. He was like, you meet me near my house. We were like, no, you meet us on Carter Road. So we met him on Carter Road and we were like, you
Y'all
have a
are
wife and
ready
all.
for public showdown.
Full public showdown, bro. And we were like, you have a wife. And we were like, shall call your house now. He's like, no, I'm not calling. I'm not calling. Nobody's at home. Nobody's there. This, that. My mother's sleeping. All excuses. You
You
have
mean
to.
your wife is sleeping?
Correct. If you have gotten caught, you have to prove that you're not.
Yeah.
Right? He was trying everything to not prove
Shady.
with us.
Hmm.
So with her, he went to her house the next day and told her parents, no, I will marry your daughter. I will 100% only marry your daughter. And like made all of them feel secure that he's not married and that he will marry her. For the next 6 months, they still continued dating. For the next 6 months, I would call up from public phones and all and be like, can I speak to Preeti? The name is not Preeti.
Yeah.
And I'd be like, can I speak to Preeti? And once he picked up the phone. And so then I met my friend and I was like, yo, I called up and Shailendra answered and all. And she's like, fuck, Shailendra told me he's in Delhi. I was like, no, bro, he's in your house. Then the other time I called from another payphone saying, I'm Times of India. I'm doing a story. I'd like to speak to Preeti. And then he's like, then Preeti came on the phone as well once. Then finally, 6-8 months later, my friend called Preeti. And she was like, look, I think we're dating the same guy. I think you're married to him and I'm dating him. So
Yeah.
let's meet. You get a photo of you and him. I'll get a photo of me and him. So the married chick's photo was her sitting in the sari with the man standing in the back. And my friend's photo was them on the beach in Bali or whatever, Bangkok. Naked in bikini and all of that. And Didi was so shocked. She's just like, I've never been. When they went to Bangkok, the guy told his wife that he has gone for some college
Reunion.
MBA. Yeah. No, some
Yeah, it's
college
always a work conference.
Yes,
or
yes.
a college reunion.
studying. He went for studying or so. I was like, such lies. Oh my God. Just
Crazy. The audacity
They
to
met.
keep lying after. Like, he really gave himself a second life. Video game chal raha hai kya, bhenjo? Just get out, die.
Yeah.
Get out of that chick's life. He's like, no, let me fool her even more and fuck around even more.
That wife was fully devastated. She was like, we are planning to have children and all, and he's sitting and cheating on me. Like,
I hope she left him.
I don't know. But my friend did leave him, and she started dating somebody else. And then 6 months after that, she went one day to his office and gave him one tight slap.
I love those. I
yeah.
feel there should be like compilation videos of women slapping men who cheated on them.
Just revenge videos. Yes.
Yeah,
It's a good
I think
idea.
very satisfying. I want to twerk to those. Yeah.
One of my friend's partner, he was cheating on her, and he basically, when got caught, he justified it by saying none of them ever felt that he gave less love.
So basically he's like कि मैंने जितना resources मुझे provide करना चाहिए था, like as though love is a finite number, I have given it.
Yeah.
तो तुझे क्या problem है?
Yeah, he's like, look, I made sure both his girlfriend and the wife were treated well. None of them felt like the other one, like the guy was missing or whatever, which he felt damn proud of. He was like, I never let you feel like you're alone in this. Bitch, you are cheating.
Yeah, and if she would have done the same thing and be like
Oh.
कि मैंने relationship or mera relationship, same sambhala. I want to see the reaction then.
I don't know how many. Do you know? Okay, in so many people that you actually know, women also cheat.
Women also cheat, but I think I've seen more men cheating.
Yeah.
I think
I think
because also
women
they're
cheat.
so much more hornier, I feel.
Yeah, it's the horniness. I think women cheat when they have emotional neglect.
Hmm.
When they find
Yeah.
emotional support from somewhere else or a deeper
Yeah.
connection,
Yeah.
then they will cheat. Then they will feel like being more close to that person. And for women, physical intimacy is the second step of being close to a person.
Yeah.
First is always love. But even if you're emotionally connected with someone and the chumar chati is not good, then you're also like, nahi chahiye.
Yeah. Then you're like, I'd rather have this person just as a friend.
No, then there's no friendship once you've
Yeah.
made
Unless
out.
you're asexual, then you're like, this much is more than enough. But would you rather be cheated on or cheat on someone? Like, which situation would you rather be in?
I've been cheated on quite a few times. 3 times.
3 times?
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
the
yeah.
problem is you, G. I just wanted this reaction. And have you
You know, it's
cheated?
fine. Let them be the problem.
Have
Let
you
me be the problem. It's fine. No,
have
I have not
not
cheated.
cheated?
No.
But do you feel like, because then in that case you are the one causing pain and not bearing the pain, like would it be more ideal for you?
Sure, why not? Why you want to cheat or what?
No, I want to be cheated on only so that people feel bad for me.
What a fucking victim. I
I'm
mean,
full victim
I have
here.
always wanted to. Like, I have friends. Look, I know, Pavitra, you feel like your friends are all angels and they'll never cheat and all of that and they'll always be pure and all. They're not going to be pure. Okay, they'll reach their 40s and they'll be cheating. It becomes very normal in people in their 40s ka thing to have affairs. People in their 40s, 45 to 50, 40 to 50-year-olds are having a lot of affairs and they are all married people.
Yeah.
And then, so then I was like, मेरे से वो भी नहीं हो रहा है.
Maybe we'll be the ones they'll be cheating on their wives with.
Let's make it happen. Something, right? That's also not happening. Like,
Every episode we manifest a boy in our life. Now we are manifesting we are the cheatery. Oh, like if you had a bisexual partner and they cheated on you
with a man.
with a man, would you feel less bad? Or if they cheated on you with a woman, you would feel less bad?
So the thing about dating a bisexual person, you'll always be uncertain. They can leave you not just for the same sexual person, but a different sex person. So that's just, I can't do that kind of uncertainty and instability. I'm not equipped for it anymore. I, in my life, need certainty and stability. I like stability.
So no for open.
No chance. Poly, no,
polyamorous.
no. There's too much insecurity in polyamorous.
But you're also getting 2-3 people.
But they're still insecure. Then what is that, right? You're not really, then you're making friends and then just friends with benefits. Kind of. Right? Because if you're going out either.
But like never, or maybe later on in life.
No chance. I
No
don't
chance.
want only. No.
I also feel as of now it's a no chance. But I feel you never know, like so many years down the line.
Pavitra, I'm unable to share my best friends. If you're my best friend, you're my best friend. Don't send me a best friend reel and then send 3 other women a best friend reel. The same best friend reel, she's sending 4 people. How is that any, like,
7 people.
doesn't make me feel special. It's like that show, nobody wants this.
But like 7 out of the 300 people, y'all are top 7. Don't you
But
feel
no, I want
special?
only for me. You can't love everyone the same. No, you have to love me in a different way.
Yeah, that I do.
But like with the, with the.
But the reels are also relatable for a reason.
No, you
They
send it
can go
only to
to.
me. You one reel a day you send just for me. Then you send your 70,000 best friends. I don't care. So that's my point, right? I cannot even share my best friend. It really is not easy for
Yeah.
me to know that you have another best friend. And this has been my childhood problem. My
Hmm.
best friend in Bachpan had a new female friend, new best friend. She became that Shweta fucking. Oh my god. One day we were sitting and eating lunch and I'd always get nice dabba. And my bestie came to eat and I was like, so Shweta doesn't have lunch or what?
Is she Garib or what?
That day we stopped talking. My best friend
Really?
just got up and walked out. Yeah.
Because you said she doesn't have lunch or what?
Yeah, like, bitch, eat with Shweta now. Why you're coming now just for dabba? You're coming to hang with me. The whole day you didn't come say hi also. Now dabba ke time pe you've come. Where is your Shweta? Now eat her bloody mooli, whatever. Fuck it.
So y'all are still not friends. Like y'all never became friends after that.
No, we became friends, but then we broke up eventually forever.
Different
Yeah, I
reasons.
was her bitch.
So I have this cheating story, which is a non-cheating story. So you remember that show Emotional Atyachar?
No.
So basically, there's a show where this host and one of the partners will on video cam catch their partner cheating on them. Like they would send another girl or a boy as a bait and see how they respond and they catch them and everything. So a lot of it was like fake and all also, but some were like true also. And my friend's like college like friend, her boyfriend was on it and was like sent as the bait and did all of this and everything, and we were like, bro, your boyfriend is cheating on you. And she's like, no, I know, he told me he got money and with that we booked a hotel room and had fun. So she was really in on the cheating. She's like, best cheating experience ever. So I think that was really funny
Then
for
he
me.
became gigolo now. It's a great job. That's what he was that day, a gigolo.
Yeah, he was a gigolo.
That's a great, actually, if you want to see whether your partner actually is loyal to you or not, you should send a Pavitra. She
Oh,
will
I'm a
mess with
gigolo?
them. And if they mess back, then your partner is a cheater. If they are loyal to you, then Pavitra will again come back to me. Would you rather someone cheat on you or die?
Oh, die.
Yeah,
I think.
yeah.
Actually, no. I think it depends.
No.
Maybe
I'd
cheat.
rather they die. Because now, for example, I'm here. That hoe that cheated on me is in Chembur, still alive.
Hmm.
So then, if he was dead, I would have been so much happy. I would have been like,
But like,
no,
what
he's
if
dead.
it's one of those partners who I want to give a second chance?
Nobody wants to give any cheater a second chance,
I
Pavi.
mean, I feel like if गलती और मुश्किल से मुझे एक पार्टनर मिलता है, अभी उसने भी गांड मस्ती करके चीटिंग की, तो I'll be like, चल ठीक है, एक चीटिंग,
Okay, then,
हाँ.
would you cheat as well?
like to equalize it.
Yes.
Oh, interesting. I don't think I have it in me to cheat. Maybe I would tell that person and like make up a story to fuck with their head.
You don't have to cheat, you just have to make out. That's not called cheating after that.
Yeah,
It's
but like I'll
revenge.
make up a story. I don't even have to do it. I can just describe.
No,
something.
I'll give you my partner. My husband will be there holding your
Why
hand.
is your husband, if your husband and me are giving you baths, we're holding hands. I have been more intimate with your hypothetical husband than my hypothetical boyfriend
Yeah,
in
you
this
have.
whole podcast.
I think maybe because my hypothetical husband will eventually become your hypothetical boyfriend. That's what's gonna happen.
Okay, I have another game.
Go for it.
Cheat or no cheat, okay?
Yes.
I'll give you a scenario. You have to tell me like this counts as cheating or not, okay? Your partner has a sex dream about their ex.
Cheating.
Cheating?
Fully
Dream.
cheating.
But it's a dream.
If I have a dream of you making out with somebody, like if you're my partner and you're making out with someone in the dream, you're cheating on me. In my dream.
Correct, but that your brain came up with it.
Yes, it's still cheating. You're cheating on me. You're a cheater. How dare you make out with your best friend in my dream? I've had this
But
argument with
your
my
dream
boyfriend.
is a different issue. But like, suppose if your partner's dream, at least I can be like somewhere it was there in their subconscious, which is why it manifested as a dream.
Why is he telling me this? Why is my partner telling me he's had a sex dream about his ex? I
Just
don't want to
because
know.
it's
Then it's
hilarious.
cheating. It's cheating. You tell me, I will beat you up. I will sit on you.
Future note to G as hypothetical slash real boyfriends. Do not tell her about your dreams.
Especially if you're making out with Pavi in them.
Mm, maybe she'll enjoy it.
Sure, maybe
Oh,
Pavi is forgiven.
okay. Texting your work spouse more than your actual spouse.
If it's an emotionally texting and flirting and all of that, then if you're emotionally getting connected with them, then that's
Then
cheating. But if you're
only talking work
presentation
and
and
बीच में
9
थोड़ा
p.m.
बकचोदी because you're working and
No
बकचोदी.
emotional but.
No, like
कि वो
बकचोदी.
प्रेजेंटेशन कैसा फक्कॉल गया या ऑल दैट
हाँ.
बकचोदी अरे उसने क्या गिर गई whatever. But
Okay.
कि तू अच्छा लग रहा था प्रेजेंटेशन में and all you can't do. You have to keep that to yourself. He has a wife.
Okay, if your partner flirts with someone to get some free stuff, which they share with you,
Yeah, I don't mind. I'll
then
also
it's
flirt,
okay.
na.
Haan,
Flirting
nice.
for free stuff is allowed as long as you don't go home with them.
What if your partner is leading someone on just for the kicks?
No, leading someone on is not right.
Wrong.
Yeah, yeah. Leading someone on is fully cheating.
Cheating only, no?
Leading someone on is cheating.
Making notes. Liking thirst traps on Instagram of other women.
That's just creepy. I don't think it's cheating. I think it's
Yeah.
creepy.
So many of the boys I follow on Instagram, like I'll see some random nangi person pe likes and I've judged all of you boys.
But you know what? Recently, I was told that men on Instagram they only get
Because
naked
they're
women
only liking
photos.
those, then that will only keep coming in algorithm. You can click on those three dots and say not interested.
In the next video, we're going to wear less clothes. Let's see one video we'll wear less. You know, women have done this where they wear one reel, they'll shoot the same reel in the same format, same words and everything. One they'll wear kurta pajama, one will wear some skimpy,
Singlet.
yeah, spaghetti strap top, and the spaghetti strap top gets more views.
Because usme half the men have only commented Randy Randy, so then
Correct.
that's why engagement increases. That's a true.
True, true.
Then this is one thing which has happened in a lot of shows and movies where a couple that has been dating since very long, the protagonist couple of a show, beach mein there is some fight,
Fallout.
argument, fallout. It's like a
Break.
break, kind of, not a break up, and one of them has cheated in the break. So is that cheating or not?
No,
So technically it's not
it's not.
cheating,
Yeah.
but it's like a break.
Emotionally, yes.
So
Yeah, it's
then-
not because you all are on a break, right? Like that Ross and Rachel
Yeah.
one, right? Where,
So you are on Ross's side.
yeah, I'm on
in
Ross's
this.
side. But no, I feel like if it had happened to me, I would have been like, but we hadn't ended it, right? It was not over. We were gonna get back. So if in the middle of us breaking up,
Yeah.
you think you've become single and you've gone and
Yeah.
hooked up with someone, then that's,
Cheating only.
I mean, yeah, it's not cheating, it's a bad thing.
Yeah, it's not the technical word
Yes.
cheating, but it's like, wow, you
Betrayal
gave
in a
up
way.
on us
Yeah,
already.
Yeah.
Yeah, same thing happened in the summer. I turned pretty also. And I was like, yeah, kind of counts as like not cheating, betrayal.
Betrayal.
Yeah. Yeah. You all also let us know, like in the Ross Rachel or the Belly Jeremiah case, who was wrong.
I haven't watched Belly Jeremiah, but I've watched Ross and Rachel.
Watch that also. It's quite fun. It's full time pass.
Okay.
I enjoy. So, yeah, that brings us to the end of the cheating episode.
So, in the comments, we want to know your opinion about once a cheater, always a cheater.
And also, would you rather be cheated on or would you rather cheat on someone? And also the Ross and Rachel one. Like, there are a lot of questions to answer. Answer everything. You are anyway free.
Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. My name is Gia.
And my name is Pavitra.
And this is
Spill the tea.
Bye.
Bye.
Spill the tea.